How to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. So the step are so simple to follow if you want to change your username on Snapchat before the 1 year. So now tap on this, as you can see now, Snapchat. Go to profile, go to settings. From there, here is my username. Tap on the username. As you can see here, it says you can only change your username once a year. So now tap on this back arrow. So now scroll all the way to down. Scroll to down. Go to this help center. So from this help center, now allow it to finish loading. Now scroll to down. Go to this contact us. From this section, go to this I need help with a Snapchat feature. This one. So choose this one. I need help with Snapchat feature. So scroll to down. So if you scroll to down, go to this settings. Choose settings in this section now. Choose settings. After you choose settings, now choose this other. So now allow it to finish loading again. So after you choose this other, now scroll to down. In this section now, go and type in your username. After you type in your username in this section now, go and type in your email address. After you type in your email address in this section now, scroll to down and describe your problem. Just say, I want to change my username before the 1 year. If it is possible, please help me. So by typing this like message and send, tap on this submit button. So if you submit to Snapchat, they will respond to you within some days. If possible, they will change your username. If not possible, you must wait for the 1 year before you can be able to change your username. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.